Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nidhi. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you guys what all I am gonna do before 2020 ends, and wait till the end of this video because I'm gonna be reviewing Simba Lifestyle Travel Within Planner. And yes, I have two planners. I'm gonna tell you each and everything about this planner, so do not forget to watch this video till the end, and if you're interested then please keep on watching. But before that, if you're new here, please go ahead, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification also to get notified every time I upload a new video. And now without any further ado, let's get started. So actually guys, I have already written 7 practical points which I need to do before 2020 ends. So the very first thing which I wish to do before 2020 ends, the very first thing is write down my resolutions. Okay, wait. हर साल हम रेजोल्यूशंस बनाते हैं, हर साल वो टूट भी जाते हैं, बट दिस टाइम आई रियली वांट टू मेक practical resolutions which I am gonna do it no matter what. Second thing is on 31st of December 2020 I'm planning कि मैं अपनी फैमिली के लिए बहुत अच्छा सा लंच प्रिपेयर करूँ, बिकॉज वो बहुत ही रेयर दिन रहता है जब मैं कुकिंग करती हूँ. एंड आई एम थिंकिंग कि मैं ये साल एंड इसी अच्छे नोट से करूँ, मेरे मॉम डैड को यमीएस्ट फूड खिला के. दिस इज़ गोना बी चैलेंज फॉर मी, यू नो, क्योंकि मैं देखो मैं खाना अच्छा बनाती हूँ बट I don't cook usually, you know what I mean. Number 3, delete no longer serving contacts, which means delete all those people who have not added any value in your life. In other words, those people who always made you feel negative about yourself, the surrounding is negative, delete those contacts because they are not going to help you in future as well. I'm definitely gonna be deleting few numbers after I film this video because I totally believe in this thing. When you have positive surrounding, when you have positive people, no matter what, in your mobile phone you have like you can have contacts like 10,000, but I would like to have contacts only of those people who have added value in my life or are willing to add value in my life. I don't really welcome those negative people in my life, so yeah, bye bye. Number 4, write down 10 things which you are grateful for in this 2020. Yes, बहुत लोगों ने ये चीज़ बोली होगी, be grateful, but to be very honest, आप खुद से जानते हो कि आप कितनी चीज़ के लिए कितने grateful हो. जैसे कि ये मेरे पास घर है, मेरे पेरेंट्स का घर है, इसके लिए आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल. आई हैव माई ओन रूम, आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल. आई एम फिल्मिंग दिस वीडियो फ्रॉम अ मोबाइल फोन. आई एम रियली ग्रेटफul for every single thing. Just write down 10 things which you are grateful for, and you can yourself see that positivity in your body. And yeah, this really helps me. I hope this will help you too. Number 5, create your vision board. Okay, for the longest time I wanted to make a vision board for myself, but I was just procrastinating these things. But yeah, I have the vision board in my planner, so I'm definitely gonna make a vision board for myself. Basically what vision board is all about, the things which you visualize, the things which are in your bucket list, in your dreams, and you really wanted those things to get fulfilled in near future. Like I really want to go to USA for some reason, so yes, that's one of my things in my vision board. Number 6, write a letter to yourself. बहुत ही क्लीशे लगता है सुनने में खुद को लेटर लिखना, बट yes, indeed, it has helped me a lot. If you don't know, मैं journaling करना बहुत पसंद करती हूँ. That's why I have this little diary with me all the time in every single bag. Number 7, and this is the last thing which I wanted to do before 2020 ends, just go to a store and buy chocolate for yourself. बहुत ही ज़्यादा easy sound करता है, but let me tell you, हम हमारे लिए कभी भी chocolates खुद से नहीं लेते हैं. बहुत ही ऐसा rare occasion रहता है जब हम खुद से लेने के लिए जाते हैं, and that's called real self-love. So it is basically a point to realize how important you are. Just go to a store and buy your favorite chocolate, if that makes sense. Alright, so these were the 7 points I wanted to share with you guys, and now coming back to the planner reviews, I am really excited, and I know you are also excited to see what is inside this planner. So guys, this is Simba Lifestyle 2021 planner which is travel within, and the packaging is superb. जब ये आया था पार्सल मेरे पास तो ये पूरा बबल रैप था, so किसी भी टाइप के डैमेज का टेंशन नहीं था. The one thing which irritates me the most is this spiral binding. Apart from that, this planner is beautiful. So this is very beautiful blue color planner which come with a pen and which has stylus on top of it. So I have used this pen and it is okay, it is very nice pen, but it comes with a stylus. That is the very important point. So the moment you open this planner, the first thing which you can see is the Simba Lifestyle pocket. You can actually drop down any single thing, whatever you want, like passport. I have put in this card from Simba Lifestyle and Mridul have signed this, so that's a very beautiful thing. This is the first page which calls the 2021 planner, which I'm very excited for. Actually, this planner comes with 4 sticker sheets as well. The first sheet looks like this and it have really good stickers. I really like all of them. My favorite, guess what is my favorite sticker? Okay, you have all the options. You can guess and comment down below which is my favorite sticker among all of them. Apart from these stickers, Simba Lifestyle had come up with these little Q points wala sticker. So you have the birthday, weekend, to buy, holiday, party, big day, and these stuffs. So the last sticker palette is this one: to-do list, remember, gratitude, and urgent. I think this is really important because you just need to take it out and stick it on your planner. I really like what it looks like, and the colors are also very pretty, so me pastely, and I love it. The more you open this planner, you can see who all are involved to make this planner, and Mridul and Aditya, who are founder of Simba Lifestyle, have written for their customers as well. This is the vision board I was talking about, and I really wanted to stick all the pictures, whatever I wanted to have in my vision board. I really want to go USA, so definitely I'm going to be putting New York picture here. So after that, these are 2021 goals. I think these are literally very important things. You can just write it down whatever you want. There are like a lot of sections: word of the year, personal, travel, fitness, career, finance, and you can customize 2 boxes as well. I really like this feature. Next is this year I will. This is very unique point and ऐसा मैंने किसी भी अभी तक planner में देखा नहीं है. This is basically start, quit, learn, try, visit, improve, and avoid. The next page is one of my favorite pages. So this is wish list, and these are needs and these are wants, and I absolutely love it. And ये मैं अपने normal diary वगैरह में भी लिखती हूँ what are my needs and what are my wants. Next thing is really interesting, and this is my year in Polaroid. I really like this feature. This is very new and very smart game. You can stick whatever picture. In every month you could have one special moment, so you can like picture it down here. So yeah, that's really great thing. This is 21 things to do before 2021 ends. Okay, just right now, the beginning of the video, I listed out 7 points which I wanted to do before 2020 ends, and I really like this thing. Okay, it need not to be 21 things. You can list down 10 things only. It totally depends on you. Next thing is this little calendar type thing of 2021 year. So I think ये उतना ज़्यादा useful नहीं है, but still if they have this is really good feature. Now my most favorite things come here, January, and there is a quote written. I love quotes, by the way. I love reading them in general. And now the best part is this beautiful design. I think this is from San Francisco. The next thing, the moment you turn out this design page, you can see a postcard. So that clearly means that the moment your January month is completed, you can actually cut it out. You can make a postcard out of it, or you can just frame this and stick it on your wall. So cool. I mean, this is my most favorite thing in this planner ever. Next thing is letter to yourself. I literally told you these things to do, and right now I can see this in my planner also. Now the best part is the to-do list or whatever you want to write in this planner in day-by-day basis. I really like the pastely effect of it, this watercolor effect. I mean, I am totally in for this. This is totally my style. One of the most important things is this month bars, and you can literally take it out whatever month you want to. So the moment your months end, there will be an expense tracker and monthly budget. I know this is little bit you need to do extra effort to write down everything, but I think it is going to be really helpful for everyone. Most important fact, there is a habit tracker also for not just 1 or 2 activity, but there are 5 habit tracker activities which you can actually take down. Next thing is monthly checkup. I think ये शायद से मैं ना भरूँ या फिर मेरे को टाइम मिलेगा तो ही मुझे करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज आई थिंक दैट ओके है ये वाला पार्ट शायद मैं ना भरूँ. नेक्स्ट कम्स फेब्रुअरी. सो आई जस्ट टोल्ड यू कि हर मंथ में ब्यूटिफुल डिज़ाइंस हैं विद अ कोट राइट डाउन हियर. सो आई लिटरली लव द फेब्रुअरी मंथ मोस्ट एंड अक्टूबर मंथ का. आई एम जस्ट गोना क्विकली शो यू कि एवरी मंथ के पोस्टर्स क्या लगते हैं. दिस इज़ फ्रॉम मार्च मंथ, अप्रैल, मई, दिस इज़ जून. सो जब आपका जून मंथ ख़त्म हो जाएगा, बेसिकली आप हाफ ईयर पूरा आपने कर लिया होगा, तो यहाँ पे थोड़े और सेक्शंस आते हैं लाइक मेमोरी कलेक्शन फ्रॉम ईच एंड एवरी मंथ. इफ़ यू रिमेंबर गाइज, मैंने एक अपने वीडियो पे ये चीज़ बोली थी कि मैं एवरी मंथ का थोड़ा लिखना प्रेफर करती हूँ, जो कि मेरे वो छोटे से डायरी में मैं लिखती थी 2 साल पहले से, एंड यहाँ पर भी वो चीज़ है. दिस रियली मेक्स मी हैप्पी. The second thing is mid-year goals. It is very important कि आपने जितना रेजोल्यूशन लिया था, आप कहाँ तक पहुँचे हो, उतना गोल्स आपने पूरा किया भी है या नहीं, और या फिर आपको कोई दूसरे गोल्स लाने हैं तो आप वो यहाँ पर लिख सकते हो फॉर श्योर. सो एज आई टोल्ड यू गाइज, हर महीने के बाद में हैबिट ट्रैकर एंड मंथली चेकअप होता है. दिसंबर के बाद मृदुल ने यहाँ पर ट्रैवल प्लान्स डाला है. आई मीन सो कूल. बेसिकली ये डालने का मृदुल का मकसद यही था बिकॉज 2020 में हमने ट्रैवल बहुत कम किया है. सो शी थॉट कि 2021 में भी हम ट्रैवल ज़्यादा करने वाले हैं. सो उसने इस टाइप के 5 to 6 पेजेस दिए हैं ट्रैवल प्लान रखने के लिए. एंड दिस इज़ 2021 इन रिव्यू. यू शुड बी रिव्यूइंग योर ईयर. इनफैक्ट आपको अपना मिड टर्म गोल के बाद भी आपका स्केड्यूल को रिव्यू करना चाहिए, बिकॉज रिव्यूइंग इज़ द की गाइज. रिव्यूइंग इज़ द की. एंड लास्टली देर आर सम नोट पेजेस, एंड अगेन लास्ट में एक पॉकेट है विच इज़ वेरी क्यूट थिंग, एंड यहाँ पे पेन रखने के लिए होल्डर दिया हुआ है. सो दैट्स अ वेरी गुड थिंग. द ओनली थिंग इज़ इसको दिसंबर के बाद बंद करना इज़ क्वाइट नॉट पॉसिबल. बस ये प्लानर यहीं ख़त्म होता है, बट इसको बंद करने में थोड़ी मेहनत लगती है. यू जस्ट नीड टू प्ले अराउंड विद दिस स्पायरल एंड देन ओनली यू कैन लाइक क्लोज इट. इट्स अ रियली टास्क. या नाउ इट्स डन. And trust me guys, this is one of the best planners available right now in India. Totally love using this planner. ये मैंने अपने भाई को गिफ्ट दिया है, इसलिए that's new. जो मेरा प्लानर है उसके ऑलरेडी मैं स्टिकर्स वगैरह निकाल चुकी हूँ, एंड I totally love it. That's why मेरे पास ऐसे 2 प्लानर है, एक मेरे लिए और मैंने अपने भाई को एक बर्थडे गिफ्ट दिया है. So yeah, that's it for this planner. That's it for this video. I really hope you guys like this video, and if you did, do not forget to like this video. Leave a comment down below. What was your views about this planner, and do you like my review on this or not? And yeah, share it with your friends whoever want this beautiful planner. And yeah, do not forget to subscribe to my channel because that would mean the world to me. I'm really close to 500 subscribers. Yeah, this is a very small milestone, but this really means a lot to me if you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys next time very soon in a brand new video. Until then, please be safe, have a great new year, and just gratitude जो भी आपके पास है उन चीज़ों के लिए. Spend your time with your family, and yeah, I'll see you guys next year directly. Till then, bye bye, happy new year.